Yeah, I welcome you once again to Menalights TV. And this time around, we are looking at how to make fluffy balls. As you can see, I will show you how to make these balls so that you can use it as a decorative item in your rooms. So in making this ball, we need some items. So the items that we need a cutting, and this cutting we will cut it into this form in a circular base, and then another circle or circular hole in the middle. Then we need rubber. That's what we use to make the ball. Rubber of different colors, rubbers of different colors. So we need scissors, we need thread, and then we need blade in the process. So let's get going and see how to make these fluffy balls. So we have to combine the two circular cuttings like this and the holes. So we put the rubber through the hole and then you go this way. After it is finished, you take another one. So we are finishing it. As you can see, the hole is no more big. It's very small. That means our ball is almost ready. So let's try and wrap or wave this blue. The ball will look nice or beautiful. So in a jiffy, we'll cut this one out and see how it will look like. Blade all around. Make sure you hold the middle firmly before you cut. Cut it until the circular cutting is showing. So as you can see, our ball is getting ready. I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. To the middle of the two cuttings. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an X-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mind. So you have to pass through the middle. Then you tie it firmly so as to hold the rubbers together. So once you are done with that, you have to cut the cutting and remove it. We are cutting this cutting and remove it from the middle. So this is the first one. I'll remove the first one. Left with the other one. I have to remove that one too as well. I have to cut it, then remove it as well. So now our ball is ready. So you have to turn it around. So once you are doing it, the rubbers that are longer than the other. So after 3 minutes, you have to turn it around so that you can see the excess rubber that are coming out and cut it so that the ball will look fine. So looking at this, you realize that some rubbers are still longer than the others. So you have to cut them and treat them fine to get the desired. It will look nice to your children. Your visitors too will be asking, hey, how did you do this? Where did you buy it from? You will tell them, oh, I've done it on my own. So this is Menalights TV, and my camera woman for today is Madam Veronica. This is Madam Deva. a very instrumental woman. Very soon her channel will be out. You can watch a lot of interesting things on her channel. So till then, remember to subscribe to Menalights TV for more of this.